what we're waking up to today. Hopefully it stops. Headed to Roatan, Honduras. Looks like an all-day rain to me. Let's see what it looks like. That's pretty. Oh, there's our port. Yeah. See all the windmills. That is the Regal Princess.
You're gonna get wet, so don't worry. Wet day today.
We're going to Tabiana Beach
Won't be a memory.
on the Carnival excursion. Pouring down rain. Man, it's pouring.
Oh, two people. Yeah. Now that I got this little cat.
We're in Roatan, Honduras. Okay, now it looks like it's really going. We're looking for 6, aren't we, bub?
6?
Think so.
Not us, it was.
All tours this way, straight ahead.
My camera is so what now?
We're getting soaked. I saw some people with those.
How
Yeah.
soft them are.
I bet. Yeah.
Man, I bet them are tough.
It's like I got Grimace in front of me.
Yeah.
Oh wow, give him the whole thing. Wow, that's how you eat a guy's burger.
Gotta save the rest for your friends. There's more for other people. Oh. Oh, I don't have the heart to not give it all to him.
Give it all to him.
Yeah, might be the only one we see.
He needs it.
Yeah.
She needs it.
That place in the back now, they're
Bub keeps calling this Six Flags. I like that. Yeah.
Wow. What is that?
Yeah.
Sign maybe? Or
Huh.
Target no milk, 80% cocoa and milk.
That's neat stuff. I like that wood. Yeah, we gotta give me another one of these. my desk. Yeah. I'm glad to get rid of that.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I know. Whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like the little.
Mhm. Thanks, cute. Like a little sloth. See it on the stick.
No. Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah.
hilarious. Get that for Ellie's.
That was me making some pretty
Yeah. Yeah, you did good.
I thought that was the boat. It's loud. So funny.
I must do a lot of mahogany here. Woodwork. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Heading out. Rain the whole day. Still raining. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Rainy day.